Hello YouTube, we're cleaning up the shop today. We got the floor all swept. It was messy. I mean, I got a lot of junk in here, but a lot of dirt on the floor, dust, wood slivers from all the kindling wood. We brought some wood in because this weekend we're supposed to have snow, freezing rain and snow starting on Friday in the morning, which is tomorrow. So thought we'd show the cart. There is a lot of wood on there. It is heavy. That is elm and it's not completely cured. Some of the stuff that looks dry on the ends, it's been cut half, and the other end where I cut it has still got moisture in it. So got a little bit of kindling wood in there, stuff we picked up off the ground, sticks. So we're ready to do that. Pan over here real quick to that table. It's an antique table from the 50s. I'll have a video on that, maybe Sunday in the shop. I want to get all cleaned up first. Then we'll show it. It's been sitting out here getting all dirty and everything, so. And then her legs got a little bit of rust on them. We're going to see if we can get it off. But anyway, new chair, which I'll show that Sunday. We'll just leave the cover on it. My expensive Serta office chair, I got it from the big box stores. It is so nice with my back and legs that it was worth what I spent. I can sit out here and be in comfort. So thanks for watching this short clip. We'll leave you a few pictures.